Hey everyone. So recently we have released a new functionality, which is discount option. So earlier you used to see only one type of discount on the document and you were able to add one type of discount on the document. But now we have provided multiple discount option on the document. Let me show you how you can use that. So I will go to all modules and then after I will go to sales and purchase. Now here I will click on create document and will go in order confirmation. So suppose if I am creating one order confirmation, so in that, I just need to select the company, the buyer, and here I will quickly fill a few of the details. And then after I will select the delivery option, just few of the details, and I will add the item here. So once I selected the item, please check here. You can see on your right hand side, there's an optional column. Please click on that and please check. Here I can see an option of discount 1, discount 2, discount 3. So I can select all these discounts if I want to add several discount. Please check here, it will come. So I will go with the rupees and rupees and rupees. So I will simply just mention 10 on this, then after 5 on this, and in the third discount I will mention 2. So all these three discounts will be added. Once I will click on save and confirm, please check just a moment. They look like a custom field which I need to fill. All right. Yeah, I fill that. Save and confirm and please check. This is how your discount will look like. All the three discounts are applied on the document. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Have a good day ahead.